So AMD Chair and CEO Lisa Su joins us now in a CNBC interview. Lisa, first I want to congratulate you. I think people don't understand that your stock is up so dramatically that it certainly makes sense that there could be a little bit of profit taking. It has far exceeded NVIDIA's stock price this year. So I think it's important that we start out by saying there was really no disappointment here that I could see. Well, Jim, great to be here with you this morning. Great to see, David and Carl as well. And yeah, it was a very strong quarter for us. We grew revenue over 50% year on year, and we're seeing just tremendous momentum, especially in our data center business, where folks need a lot more AI compute, and we have some great products coming. So very excited about the trajectory of our business and the momentum that we're seeing going into the second half of the year. Let's go over something that was said in the call. I think that the analysts in the call, for the most part, were a little too negative. And at one point you say, look, I think you're hearing from us is that the data center AI number is probably too low. And maybe back to, and then mentioned an analyst question without going into exact numbers. I think the notion of over 100% should consider be well over 100%. So in other words, it's entirely possible that the analysts may not have heard exactly how strong your business is going to be. Well, Jim, actually what I would say is we are in an extraordinary time for AI compute right now. We just updated our overall market numbers. We see the market for overall computing and high performance and adaptive computing going up to over $2 trillion as we go through 2030. And with all of that information, we wanted to reframe where our business is. And the fact is, our data center business is accelerating. We're extremely excited about our foundational model, large strategic partners like OpenAI and Meta, and we just added Anthropic to the mix there. And this is a case where, we do see our data center business growing well over 100% as we go into 2027. And those are just very large numbers when you think about, the base that we're on top of. But also, I want to talk about CPUs. You guys have, as you taught me, you're just the CPU company. And it does seem that some of these analysts, I'm just harping on the analysts because the stock's down today. Some of these analysts are somehow thinking that your CPU business, because this lower margin, is going to hurt you. I don't see how that's possible. I think it's just 100% additive. Am I too bullish about AMD? Well, I think, Jim, you're right on a couple of aspects. What we have seen in the AI market over the last, I would say, 6 or 7 months is really an inflection in demand, and especially in the CPU market. So what we're finding is as AI is becoming more useful for people, as we're using more agents, as enterprises are using, more of their workloads from, let's call it what was experimentation into now production workloads, people need a lot more CPU compute as well as, GPU compute. And we are the leaders in CPU compute. We're very, very, proud of our technology stack. We just announced our next generation. Venice has launched. And, as you know, our Italian cities very well, Venice is leadership across every aspect of compute, whether you're talking about the highest performance or the most overall performance per core. Those are areas where, we just lead. So, we're excited about where the market is because the market needs a lot more compute. And we're even more excited about just the overall positioning in the market because our product portfolio is so broad and strong.
So, Lisa, as IT budgets get assembled for next year, how should people think about the enterprise state of mind? I mean, is it about sort of cost discipline and trying not to token max and being wary of our potential ROI? Or is it about just breaking some stuff and hitting the pedal to the metal?
Well, Carl, it's a great question. I think it's a little bit of both. And, the way I see it, spending time with a lot of CEOs and CIOs right now, the desire is to truly use AI as a tool. AI is a tool to help all of our businesses become more productive. And there is a good amount of experimentation where you're trying to figure out which is the right model that will get the best outcome from a business standpoint. But we are also in the place where, the AI costs are getting so large that everybody has to manage, just like you manage your employee costs, you have to manage your AI costs. And I'm a big believer in there will be all kinds of models that are important as you go forward. And that includes using the largest foundational models, as well as using open models and let's call it smaller and medium-sized models as you think about all the different use cases. So I think the state of mind in enterprise today is how do I take advantage of AI while ensuring that I'm managing it for what will be significant growth going forward.